Good morning, dear student. I'm your English teacher, and today we are going to start our same story. Yesterday, I taught to you Mowgli finds his family. There was a clamor of scores of voice saying, "What is the matter?" Now, so many voices it comes that ask that what is the matter. He will die in the winter. So many just wolves say that he will die in winter if we will leave the Mowgli alone in this weather. He will die in the winter rains. He will scorch in the sun. Sun will scorch him. What harm can a naked frog do us? Let him run with the pack. Now, so many wolves say that we will accept of Mowgli. No need to leave him alone. Let him run with the pack. Where is the bull Bagheera? Let him be accepted. Now we are going to accept Mowgli in our family. And then came Akela's deep bay crying. Now Akela still he is crying. Look well, oh war. Mowgli was still deeply interested in the pebbles. Now Mowgli he was playing with the pebbles. He does not care. He does not care what is happening, and he was interested only in the pebbles. And he did not notice when the wolves came and looked at him one by one. Now wolves comes and just see that what Mowgli is doing over there. But Mowgli was busy with the kid of wolves, and he was playing with the kid of wolves, and he was using the pebbles for his playing. At last they all went down the hills. Now one by one wolves comes and see the situation. They see the Mowgli, that how he is busy. At last, they all went down the hill from the dead bull, and only Akela, Bagheera, Baloo, and Mowgli's own wolves were left. Sher Khan roared still in the night. Now again, Sher Khan, he was bullying and he was shouting. Why he was shouting? He wants to take back Mowgli, for he was very angry that Mowgli had not been handed over to him. He was very angry. Who? Sher Khan. Sher Khan was in very angry mood because he did not get back Mowgli over to him. Was angry that Mowgli had not been handed over to him. A roar well, said Bagheera under his whiskers, for the time will come when these naked things will make the road to another tune, or I know nothing of man. It was well done, said Akela. Man and their cubs are very wise. He may be a help in time. He says that if we will keep Mowgli ourselves, so may be possible that in future he will help us too. And time, truly a help in time of need. Now today we are helping him. In future definitely he will help us. For none can hope to lead the pack forever, said Bagheera. Bagheera said nobody can lead a pack forever. Okay, time to time a leader it is to be changed. Akela said nothing. He was thinking of the time that comes to every leader of every pack, when his strength goes from him and he gets feeble and feeble feebler and feebler. Feebler means weak. Yeah, he thinks about himself. Today I am strong, so I am the leader of this pack. But after some time, my bones, I will become weak. So a new leader will come. Uh, when his strength goes from him and he gets feebler and feebler, till at last he is killed by the wolves. Maybe possible that he will be killed by some any other wolves when he will become very weak. Today now he is very strong, so nobody can kill him. But after some time in future he will become very weak. So any wolves of the pack, or any wolves out of the jungle in another jungle who lives, he can kill to a leader, the wolves, and a new leader comes up, and a new leader will come to be killed to in his turn. Take him away, he said to Father Wolves. Now Akela said, take him, Father said to Father Wolf, and train him as befits one of the free pupil. And you go with the Mowgli and train him as befits one of the free pupil. And that is how Mowgli was entered into the C1 wolf pack, and this was the time when Mowgli was accepted by the pack wolf pack for the price of a bull and on Baloo's good word. It is completed all the story. Okay, my dear, we shall continue next chapter on tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.